How to fix, please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction on iPhone. Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to fix the common issue. Please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction that you might encounter when creating a new Apple ID. Let's get right into it. First, open a web browser on your iPhone. I'll use Chrome for this example or Safari. In the search bar, type support.apple.com and hit enter. Once the Apple support page loads, scroll down and click on your device, whether it's an iPhone or iPad. Scroll down further until you find the Get Support option. Click on Start Now, and then from the options select iTunes Store. You'll be given the choice to either call or chat the support, so tap Call Us, and you'll see two support phone numbers. Contact one of these numbers and explain the issue you're encountering. After getting in touch with Apple support, explain that you're having trouble completing your Apple ID setup. The support team will be able to assist you and resolve the issue in a few minutes. And that's how to fix this issue. If this guide was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.